Seif, congratulations, mate. How are you feeling?
Honestly, I'm shocked. And I know a lot of people will say that, but I'm literally shocked. Was definitely not expecting it, especially in North America where, some of the best artists in the world are. And I'm so shocked and humbled at the same time. Just being amongst that list to win it is absolutely incredible. I can't believe it.
And what does it mean to you?
Honestly, for me, obviously it's a validation of all the hard work over the years, but I feel like I speak for those who do their work quietly, and just really focus on their craft and not boast all the time, And I think when your work speaks for yourself, it just speaks volumes,
Well said. And lastly, what's next for you?
Well, a lot of drinking tonight, and recovering, so I can do the class tomorrow, and then in the future, I have a class tomorrow, and then for the future, hopefully, bigger things, train really good artists. I'm very proud of the artists I've already trained, and hopefully I can give this opportunity to others as well.